Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Mawan Adian Syabidin dengan NIM A1M2 190093. Oke, di sini saya akan mempresentasikan materi dari kelompok 12. Yang pertama itu adalah text-based instruction. Text-based instruction, also known as a genre-based approach, sees communicative competence as involving the mastery of different types of text. According to Fish and Joyce, TBI the base is this based on an approach to teach language which involves one teaching explicitly, two linking spoken, three design units of work which focus on developing skill in relation, and four providing students with guide practice as they develop language skills. According to this view, learners in different contexts have to master the use of text types occurring most frequently in specific contexts. Materi selanjutnya itu implementing a text-based approach. Fish and Joyce give the following description of how a text-based approach is implemented. Uh, are introduced to the social content of authentic model, and explore features of the general cultural context, and explore the immediate context of situation by investigating the register. Uh, in this stage, investigate the structural pattern and language features of the model. Compare the model with other examples of the same text type. And in this stage, students begin to contribute the construction, and the teacher gradually reduce the contribution to text construction. And phase in this stage, students work independently with the text. Learner performance are used to achievement assessment. Next is is investigate how what they have learned in this teaching learning cycle can be related or other texts in the same or similar context future of past cycles of teaching and learning. Materi selanjutnya itu problem with implementing a text-based approach. A text-based approach focus on the products of learning rather than the process involved. Critics point out there is a danger that the approach becomes repetitive and boring over time, since the five-phase cycle described above is applied to the teaching of our core skills. Uh, Terus selanjutnya itu competency based instruction. Competency based instruction in approach to the planning and delivery of course that has been widespread use since the 1917. Our batch, our batch identifies eight features involve the implementation of CBLT programs in a language teaching. One, focus on successfully function in society, and two, focus on life skills. Three, text of performance oriented instruction. For modularized instruction, five outcomes are made explicit, and six, continuous and ongoing assessment. Seven, demonstrate mastery of performance objectives. Eight, individualized student concert instruction. Oke, selanjutnya itu adalah implementing a commentary based approach atau CBLT is often used in programs that focus on learner with very specific language needs. The competencies needed for successful text performance are identified and used as the basis of course planning. For example, part of specification of competencies for a job training course includes the following. The students will be able to 1. Identify different kinds of job using simple help wanted aids. 2. Describe personal work experience and skills. 3. Demonstrate ability to fill out the simple job application with assistance. 4. Produce required from of identification of employment. 5. Identify social security income tax deduction and tax form. 6. Demonstrate understanding of employment expectation rules, regulation, and safety. 7. Demonstrate understanding of basic instruction and ask for clarification on the job. And last, demonstrate appropriate treatment of core works, policies, and respect. Materi selanjutnya itu adalah problem with implementing a commentary based approach. Critics of CBLT have argued this that this approach looks casual and neither than it is. They point out the analyzing situation into text and underlying competencies is not always feasible or possible. In that often little more than intuition in involved. They also suggest that this reductionist approach language learning in reduced to a set of lists and such thing as thing skills are ignored. Itulah presentasi dari kelompok materi kelompok 12 dari saya. Saya mohon maaf bila banyak kekurangan. Saya akhiri dengan ucapan billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.